Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna present to you the WMIT's Produmex WMS release notes 2022.04. We're gonna start out with the highlights and then outline the new features of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with all that the new release has to offer. In our video today, we're gonna discuss 4 new quality of life features. 1. Copy sales employee data. 2. Production flow and lineup locations. 3. Production and generated documents. 4. Moving pack logistic units. Besides, we will also discuss the new feature related to the Picklist Robot, maximizing the number of pick lists of a given type that can be grouped into the same wave. Copy sales employee data. When you have completed the picking process on the mobile client and perform shipping, the sales employee data of the sales order line and the AR reserve invoice line are copied to the delivery document line. The data is also copied with consolidating picking. Production flow and lineup locations. Previously, the select the location to be lined up screen showed all the possible lined up locations for the given production line. Now, with the new release, the screen shows those lined up locations where the given component is stored. Production generated documents. When you produce byproducts with the production flow or the receipt from production flow, the system creates a receipt for production document for the byproduct and no other documents. When you produce the main product, the system creates a receipt for production document for the main product and issue for production documents for material items which are on lined up locations. In this example, we have produced the byproduct and the main product twice. Now, the relationship map of the production order shows that the system has created 2 receipts for the byproduct, 2 receipts for the main product, and 2 issues for the raw material. Moving pack logistic units. With the move order flow on the mobile client, now it's possible to move an already packed logistic unit with a move order. The Select Move Order screen lists the move orders of the pack logistic unit. On the Identify the SSCC Move screen, you can scan the pack logistic unit. On the Scan Destination Location or SSCC screen, the new SSCC button is hidden, so it's not possible to create a new logistic unit. Grouping pick lists with Picklist Robot. With the Picklist Robot, now it's possible to maximize the number of pick lists of a given type that can be grouped into the same wave. The Produmex Picklist type user-defined table now has got the number of pick lists per wave column. In this column, you can indicate the maximum number of pick lists of the given type that has to be grouped into the same wave. As a next step, the Picklist Robot groups pick lists with status not ready, and when they are grouped, their status doesn't change. To learn more about the new features of Produmex WMS, check out the official release notes documentation on Produmex Wiki. This concludes our video on the new features of WMIT's Produmex WMS 2022.04. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and to keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.